Tango Salsa. So the first ingredient we need is mango. Does anyone know which one the mango is?
Yeah, that one over there.
That one over there, good job.
Today we're serving Mango Tango Salsa over at Pearl Hall Elementary. And it's a really good opportunity for the kids because we have ingredients such as mango and squash, which might be something that the kids don't actually have on an everyday basis. So it's a great way to introduce new fruits and vegetables.
Brighter Bites is a child nutrition program that pairs access to fresh produce with nutrition education, and we do that using a 3-part formula. The first part is going to be produce distribution, so at each one of our schools, we will bring fresh produce on campus 8 weeks in the fall, 8 weeks in the spring. The second part of our program is nutrition education, so we work with our school administrators and our teachers to implement nutrition lessons in the classroom. Our final component is our fun food experience, which is to provide a recipe sample for families to try when they're picking up their produce.
What's your favorite vegetable that's in there or fruit? Do you like carrots that are in it?
This is the first time that Brighter Bites has ever collaborated with a nutrition services department to this level. It's really exciting to see that all these 47 campuses are going to get exposed to Brighter Bites.
The great thing about Brighter Bites and Pasadena ISD working together is that the kids get to try a bunch of different variety of fruits and vegetables that they might not already have.
Today we're trying Mango Tango Salsa. It's just like this cute little amalgamation of fruits and vegetables.
It's actually a pretty easy recipe. We take some bell peppers, carrots, jalapeno, all really yummy ingredients. We take the squash and we're going to dice it up. Same with the mango. We put it together with a little bit of lime and cilantro, and all you do is mix it together. It's really an awesome recipe, especially for kids. We also make it a lot of fun. Take this and you're going to put it into the bowl. We're going to put all of it into that bowl right there.
Can I get this?
Whoa, good job. Okay. The next thing that we're going to do is we're going to put, you want to put that one in? Do you know what it is?
Tomato. Pepper.
It's not a tomato. It is a red bell pepper.
Pepper.
Yum.
Okay, let me put
They've got a lot of yummy things. So we're going to mix that in too. Which one is the yellow squash?
this one.
Yellow squash is that one. Oh, good job, guys. Okay, so we've almost got most of our ingredients now. The next thing we need is the carrots.
Right here.
Perfect. You already knew. So can you dump that in there for me?
Whoa.
Whoa, good job, guys. Have you guys ever had a jalapeno before?
No. Yeah, these ones.
So it's a jalapeno, but because we use such a little amount, it won't be too spicy, okay? We've got a couple more things to put in, okay?
I just two more.
Okay, has anyone ever had cilantro before?
No, this one.
No, it's this. It smells really good. So do you want to put that one in for me? It smells good. Make sure we get all of that in.
I'm happy that I'm learning how to
All right, and I'm gonna have, can you put this in for me? It's the last thing. It's the salt and pepper. Make sure everything tastes good. So we have to mix everything together.
Yay!
Look at that. Look what you guys just made. You made salsa. How pretty.
We found out a recipe that would be a good one for us to try that we know was kid approved. I'm just really excited about the opportunity to really just highlight the great job that Brighter Bites is doing and partnering with school districts.
We